Welcome to this video review of Autoglym Leather Cleaner. If you're someone who loves their car and wants to keep it in top-notch condition, then Autoglym Leather Cleaner is the perfect product for you. This powerful cleaner is specially designed to keep your leather interiors looking new and shiny. In this video, we'll be giving you a detailed review of Autoglym Leather Cleaner, and we'll be covering everything from its features, benefits, and how to use it. So, let's get started. Features. Let's start with the features of Autoglym Leather Cleaner. This cleaner is made using a unique blend of cleaning agents that are tough on dirt and grime but gentle on leather. It's pH balanced, which means it won't harm the leather or cause it to crack or fade. The Autoglym Leather Cleaner comes in a 500 ml bottle with a spray nozzle, making it easy to apply to your leather seats, steering wheel, and other leather interiors. Benefits. Now, let's move on to the benefits of Autoglym Leather Cleaner. Firstly, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply spray the cleaner onto a microfiber cloth and wipe it over the leather surface. You'll see the dirt and grime come off instantly, leaving your leather interiors looking shiny and new. Another great benefit of this product is that it doesn't leave any residue or streaks on your leather surfaces, unlike some other leather cleaners in the market. This means that your leather interiors will not only look clean, but also feel clean to the touch. How to use. So, how do you use Autoglym Leather Cleaner? Firstly, you need to shake the bottle well before use. Then, spray the cleaner onto a microfiber cloth and wipe it over the leather surface. Make sure to use a clean part of the cloth for each new section to avoid spreading dirt or grime around. After you've finished wiping the surface, leave it to dry for a few minutes before using your leather interiors again. Precautions. Before we wrap up this review, there are a few precautions you need to keep in mind while using Autoglym Leather Cleaner. Firstly, it's essential to do a patch test before using the cleaner on your leather interiors. Apply a small amount of the cleaner on a hidden area of your leather surface, and wait for 24 hours to ensure that there is no discoloration or damage to the leather. Additionally, you should avoid using the cleaner on suede or nubuck leather surfaces, as it's not suitable for these materials. Autoglym Leather Cleaner is an excellent product that can help you keep your leather interiors looking new and shiny. So, if you're someone who wants to keep their car in top-notch condition, we highly recommend giving Autoglym Leather Cleaner a try. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.